Reciting the Ganesh mantra, a powerful mantra from the Rig Veda, invoking Lord Ganesha's blessings and guidance for our L1 group. गणानां त्वा गणपतिकं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमस्त्रवस्थमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन् नोदिभिः सीदसाधनम्। ॐ महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
This is Subramaniam Bhaiya.
Referring to Gita Parivar's efforts.
Oh, well, I feel like something in me went.
भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी, नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी, शरणं ते गच्छामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवनधन्या, सुरमुनिवन्दितचरणा, नवरसमधुरा कविता मुखरा, स्मृतिरुचिरुचिराभरणा। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। आसीना भव मानसहंसे, कुन्दतुहिना शशिधवले, हर जडताङ्कुरो बोधिविकासम्, स्मितपङ्कजतनु विमले। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। ललितकलामयी ज्ञानविभामयी, ललितकलामयी ज्ञानविभामयी, वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी, मथिरास्तानो तव पदकमले, मथिरास्तानो तव पदकमले, ऐकुण्ठाविषहरिणे। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी, नाद ब्रह्ममयी जय वागेश्वरी, शरणं दे गच्छामः। जय जय हे भगवती सुरभारती तव चरणौ प्रणमामः। Thank you so much.
Radhika Didi, that was so beautiful. You have such a lovely voice.
Thank you with a good voice.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes.
Very sweet voice, ma'am.
जय श्री कृष्ण। आओ 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 मुझे मेहंदी लगाओ, मुझे शाम सुंदर की दुल्हन बनाओ। आओ 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 मुझे मेहंदी लगाओ, मुझे शाम सुंदर की दुल्हन बनाओ। सत्संग में मेरी बात चलाई, सतगुरु ने मेरी कुंडली मिलाई। सत्संग में मेरी बात चलाई, सतगुरु ने मेरी कुंडली मिलाई। आओ मेरा हाथ लेवा करावो, मुझे शाम सुंदर दुल्हन बनाओ। बनाओ मुझे शाम सुंदर की दुल्हन बनाओ।
Because
you,
she's here,
everybody.
Ira
Thank
Didi.
you.
Like Ira Didi.
Yes, I am unmuting.
Yeah, and you first sir. Jai Shri Krishna Didi. Thank you for coming.
Jai Shri Krishna everyone.
Thank you for accepting our invitation.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Before you start, I'll just go on, Didi.
Yes, no, like some faces are like, I can just, I know them already, so it's nice to see.
I'm sure you don't remember me, but I do remember you were my
No, I
teacher.
remember you, Aarti Didi, and also I remember Mandeep Bhaiya.
Wow, thank you, Didi.
Yes.
So before we go ahead, Didi, I'll just give our sadhak and like brief introduction about yourself. So our chief guest is Ira Didi. Didi lives in Germany and she is a BSc, MA and MSc holder and is a certified SAP consultant. Didi is not working at the moment. She is a homemaker. She joined Gita Parivar in November 23 and has completed all 4 levels from 1 to 4. She has been serving as a batch coordinator. I think she's still a batch coordinator, a group coordinator, a test assistant, and also served as a TTG mentor.
Everyone here in sharing the screen with you. So I would like to, everyone, I would like to greet, Jai Shri Krishna. Mamta Didi is, I think, not there, yeah?
She's not feeling well, Didi. She said she wasn't feeling well. She was going to join for a while, but I don't know what happened.
Yeah, not a problem. Health comes first. So, Jai Shri Krishna to everyone, Mandeep Bhaiya, Aarti Didi, and the most important members of our Gita Parivar, the Sadhaks. So, I'm really blessed. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. So, I'm really honored and blessed to be here today as the chief guest in your very special Anandotsav. So, it's just a word. I stand here as a chief guest, but I am first and foremost a humble savi of Gita Parivar. And I feel deeply grateful to be the part of this divine journey. So congratulations to all of you, all the participants of this batch for completing your level 2. So, and also now the third Dham Yatra is going to start. So congratulations for that also. And I would also like to say that you are truly fortunate to have taken the step in the Char Dham Yatra and already finished 2 of them. So these learnings are not just for the classroom, but for the whole life. So please practice them daily, spread them to others, and keep this flame of knowledge shining bright and brighter and brighter and brighter. So I once again thank all of you for inviting me, and I pray that together as one Parivar, we continue to serve and learn and share the eternal message of Gita Ji. So once again, thank you, and Jai Shri Krishna to everyone.
Thank you so much for coming, Didi. It was a pleasure to see you and to hear you. Thank you.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you, Didi. We have also here batch coordinator, Bhaiya. So, Didi, Aarti Didi, can you introduce him?
Yes, of course. Jai Shri Krishna Bhaiya. Thank you for coming to our Anand itself. So I'll give a little introduction about yourself. You joined Gita Parivar in March 21, and as Ira Didi, you have completed O level from 1 to 4. Actually, it's very impressive because you completed all 4 levels 3 times. That's very good. So you served as a technical assistant, group coordinator in the monitoring department, and now you're serving as a group coordinator in Shikar jail. And also you are the batch coordinator for the L2 lab for L2 in E groups. But you've also served in the content forwarding department for the last 4 years. And you have retired from because
Jai Shri Krishna to all, and my congratulations for completing L1 and L2 also. So half the journey is over, and my best wishes for future L3 and L4 also. And I hope you will continue to join like this, and you will be continue to remain in Gita Parivar as long as you can. And you will also serve like us. We are also actually, it is our team only, co-trainer and technical assistant. Every day they are interacting with you, but we only behind the curtains, and we are also part of this Gita Parivar only, and we are Gita Sevi, and we are very proud, feeling proud because we are blessed with Krishna Krupa. That is why we could join this Parivar and enrich our experience, our learning. Life is always a learning process. So whenever you join new batch, you have a new co-trainer, and every time you learn new things from each and every co-trainer, because everybody is a unique in their teaching. So I enjoyed. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much.
thank you so much for coming, Bhaiya.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for these beautiful words. And now I would like to share a screen for a artwork which has been made by 85 years mother of Parvati Didi. So she has sent me this.
Wow.
The artwork sent by Parvati Didi.
Wow, fantastic.
It is a hand embroidery.
Beautiful.
And she is 85 years old. Still she is good.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And bless you, her daughter.
Radha Krishna.
Very right. Great control of her fingers at this age. Great.
And beautiful color matching.
Beautiful, very nice.
Wonderful.
Yeah, okay.
Wonderful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful,
Very
Bhaiya.
nice.
So
Nice.
that was very nice. And
Thank
now
you.
I request, thank you, Bhaiya. Now I request Deep Bhaiya for a devotional song.
Jai Shri Krishna. My song is devoted to Shri Krishna and my all gurus. Gita Parivar, all gurus. Basically, it is in Punjabi, tone is Punjabi, but you will be able to understand each and every word. I just pray. एक मान है तेरी कृपा दा मेरा मान निमानी दा तोड़ी ना एक मान है तेरी कृपा दा मेरा मान निमानी दा तोड़ी ना मैं धरते तेरे आया ਹਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਖਾਲੀ ਮੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਆਇਆ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਖਾਲੀ ਮੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਤੁਸਾਂ ਗਿਆਨ ਦਾ ਦੀਪ ਜਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਾਗਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੰਸ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੰਸ ਬਣਾ ਦੇ ਸਰਵਰ ਦਾ ਕਿਦੇ ਕਾਗ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਛੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਦੇ ਕਾਗ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਛੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਨ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਣ ਨਿਮਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਤੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੌਕਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਝਧਾਰ ਪੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੌਕਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਝਧਾਰ ਪੜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੰਵਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਛੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੰਵਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਛੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਨ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਣ ਨਿਮਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਤੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਜੈ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ
Jai
बहुत
Shri Krishna.
बढ़िया।
Priya.
Jai Shri
Hare
Krishna.
Ram.
Very well.
I would like to share a small thing about Deep Verma ji. He is also my guru. He used to teach us yoga
Yes, Subir
at
Bhaiya.
Yoga Vidya Niketan. I remember it.
Yes,
Great, sir,
correct.
very
Correct.
nice.
Subir Bhaiya, yes, I know you, and Dinesh Bhai also there. Dinesh Shinoy Bhaiya is also there.
Deep sir, next time हम दोनों साथ में करेंगे.
Yes,
मैं तबला
yes, sir.
बजाऊंगा, आपका भजन हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I
Good
know
day.
your talent, Subir Bhaiya. Subir Bhaiya.
Okay. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you, Mandi Bhaiya.
Okay. So, if you permit, I like to play flute for just a minute.
Oh, sure. Well done, Bhaiya, Mandi Bhaiya. But you
Didi?
spotlight, you put you on spotlight, so that we can see also. Because most of the time you are the behind the curtain.
Okay.
Please.
भैया, no sound.
Please mute भैया. No sound.
और थोड़ा लाइट की तरफ बैठ जाइए. आप अंधेरे में, आप शैडो साइड में हो.
मंदी भाई थोड़ा डिवाइस थोड़ा नीचे कीजिए. हाँ या
Ah,
now
very
visible.
good.
Yeah, now visible.
Now
Yeah.
we can. The hero behind the screen, Mandeep Bhaiya.
Hero behind the scene. Yeah.
Is it audible or not?
Yes, your voice is clear.
Yeah, audible.
Audible.
Yeah.
Oh, again no
No, we
sound.
can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
Again भैया muted.
No, you're not muted, but we can't hear you, Bhaiya. You're not muted. But we can't hear the music, the sound. When
Bhaiya
you're.
ji, there is a settings for
Oh, you're very talented.
very nice. बहुत
One of
बढ़िया.
my favorite bhajans.
Mandeep bhai, hidden talent. Mandeep bhai, multi-talented.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Wonderful.
Thank you, thank you.
An
So,
excellent song you selected for the occasion. Thank you.
Sri
Thank you,
Krishna
thank
Govinda Hare Murari. नारायण वासुदेवा गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा. Wonderful, Mandeep bhaiya.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
thank you, all of you. Now I would like to call Parvati Didi for saying some word about this journey.
This is my manogat about this class and what I experienced. Okay, I am learning Sanskrit. I am a Sanskrit student, so I have written in Sanskrit. There will be mistakes. Please excuse me. Okay, I have given the translation also from the net in English. Okay. Earlier in L1 also I have written. That was Geeta Pathanam Mama Saubhagyam 2 now because it's a level 2. द्वितीयस्तरे स्मितवदना शिक्षिका ममता दीदी उदात्तस्वरैः विशदया शिक्षां ददाति सा अल्पप्राणान् महाप्राणान् च शब्देषु आघातनं लघुसंयुक्तपदेषु च अतीव श्रद्धां जनयति दीर्घस्वरः द्विमात्रः ह्रस्वस्वरः एकमात्रः अनुस्वारस्य उच्चारणं परपदम् अनुसृत्य वक्तव्यम् शिक्षिका एतस् आचरणं कर्तुं विनयेन प्रेरयति सर्वे सम्यक् उच्चारणं कर्तुं नितरां यत्नं कुर्वन्ति डॉक्टर भैया समन्वयम् अनुपठनाय वर्गं सञ्चालयति कदाचित् अस्माकं न समं वाणि तदापि स्मयते पुनः पुनः अवसरं सर्वेभ्यः सदा ददाति.
Hare.
Just a few words. You are exceptional, and you like her or something, because it will be better coming from you rather than we telling her, because the
Not
emotion
only
and
not only like her, I've started admiring her for this. Thank you so much.
That's better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you, Didi. Next,
Is
I
it
would like.
possible? 1 minute. Is it possible to record this and show it to her because she's not here?
Actually,
No, we are
recording
not supposed to record anything.
recording is
Unless you make your own recording for what you said and then put it on the group, that's allowed, but we are not supposed to
Okay.
do any recording, Didi.
Online recording is not possible.
But you do your own video and what you just, because I didn't understand, because I don't, so you just put it on the group. That's allowed, but it should come from you.
Great,
So
Aarti Didi. Very good suggestion. Very good suggestion.
actually recording is not allowed for us, but you can record yourself.
Mandeep bhaiya, I'm just
We're not
recording
allowed-
small pieces.
Record.
Mandeep
We will
bhaiya,
do it, Didi.
You can record
Yeah, you
yourself and then later on
I will share.
put on and share it
A
on
few-
Yeah,
participant.
Sadhak can do it themselves because some people don't like to like their video on the group. So we like a few maybe months ago, 6 months ago, we could do that. But now in the meeting say no recording because maybe some people don't like it. But if you do it yourself, that's okay.
Okay, Didi. Okay, Didi.
Thank you, Didi.
That would be wonderful if you can record yourself and put in participant group.
Okay, Mandeep bhaiya.
Yeah, it's allowed.
Okay, if continue, I will take further Deep Bhaiya.
Yes, Mandeep bhaiya. Thank you very much for requesting me to share my Manogat. Actually, I'm just repeating of this course. I have already completed L4 course. So, first of all, just I bow my head to all the gurus, wonderful dedicated team of Gita Parivar, especially Mamta Didi. Today we are missing Mamta Didi and Mandip Bhaiya. Earlier I was not able to recite a single slok, but now you have noticed that I'm also feeling that I'm just able to speak few this slokas very nicely. This is because of your selflessness services of Mandip Bhaiya and very polite in polite language used by our Mamta Didi. So I just show my gratitude and show my pranam to all of these teachers and all gurus of Gita Parivar. And this we have our old colleague Subramanian Bhaiya and very nice Saisa Didi is also there. Saisa Didi was the motivational to all of us. Very Saisa Didi. She was motivational to all of us actually. Very nicely she was used to recite each and every shloka.
And very sincere.
And very sweet word and very young, means very little angel in our group. So Aarti Didi, Parvati Didi, Adarsh Didi, Jayashri Didi, and so many of these I just not remember the names. But Simi Didi, Bhanumati Didi, Aruna Didi, Adarsh Didi, Radhika Didi, and Dinesh Bhaiya is our old colleague. Dinesh Shinoy Bhaiya is there. Dinesh Bhaiya is there.
Is there?
Yeah, Dinesh Bhaiya. They are all my old colleagues. And say our chief guest Ira Agrawal also given very nice motivational words to all of us, and our batch coordinator Dakshis Bhaiya. They were very this. All motivated words they have delivered to all of us. So once again I just bow my pranam to all of my gurus, all my Gita Parivar teachers and my all colleagues. Thank you so much Bhaiya, Mandip Bhaiya.
Thank you, Bhaiya,
Yeah.
for these
Thank you,
words.
Bhaiya.
Bhanumati Didi.
Actually, I was not able to attend for the past 2-3 classes because I had gone on some Tirth Yatra, and so I came only yesterday, and today suddenly when I saw it, I came to know that this is the final class of L2. Anyway, I was very happy to have not missed this nice validatory function, I should say, and very sorry that I could not meet Mamta Didi also today because her patience is really no. I don't think with a smiling face. Whenever we do any correction, she will correct us so beautifully without even we feeling anything. So that way. Very nice, and one thing I'm finding very beneficial is I'm also learning Sanskritam, and I find this complementary actually, the pronunciation and this grammar classes and this meanings of Gita, all that when they say. Because I find it very, very, of course, Bhaiya, you are also doing a very great job. And I thank Kandam of Srimad Bhagavatam. And that is the Gopikas are the women who are cowherds in Vrindavan, where Lord Krishna lived. They loved Lord Krishna with their full heart, and Gopikas are unable to even spend a few hours without Lord Krishna, who has gone to graze their cows and lament about their fate. So the Lord, hearing their appeal, comes before them. So I want to say some few stanzas from the Gopika Gita, if you permit. Vedikam Krishna Janmana Vrajaha Shrayata Indira Krishna Shashvadatrahi Dayita Drishyataam Krishna Dikshutavakaha Tvaidrisasava Krishna Tvam Vichinvate.
Great voice again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, wonderful, Bhanumati Didi.
Thank you.
Next, Dinesh Bhaiya.
दिनेश भाई अनम्यूट कीजिए, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, it's unmuted now. Jai Shri Krishna. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Bhaiya.
Yes, yes, audible.
Am I audible? Yeah,
Yes,
thank
Bhaiya,
you so
audible.
much. Yeah, right, yeah. So as Deep Bhaiya just said, we are repeaters actually. This is my third repetition of the Char Dham Yatra. And every time, I mean, we see a different teacher, a different core-trainer in every batch. So, as Parvati Didi said in Sanskrit, the type of, attention Mamta Didi gives to 5 different, things: Rasva, Dirgha, Visarga, Anuswar, okay, and the Aghat. Okay. So this is a different, thing which, a style which Mamta Didi has brought into this session because this is something different. I really thank her for stressing on this and ensuring that all of us, all of the sadhaks, actually pronounce the shlokas in the right scientific manner. I will join in and ensure that most of us are able to finish their individual Anupatans within the 40 minutes time that we have. That is third, not the least, is now there's been a silent spectator in this group, and that is Aarti Didi. She has always been there as a GC for almost 75-80% of the sessions. So thank you, Aarti Didi, for being there as a silent observer and looking into this. As a whole, the Gita Parivar is a very well-oiled machinery, right from all the sevis that are there to the vivechans that we get on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And I do attend, most of these vivechans. To all the other didis. Then we had Sati, Satya, Bhaiya, Deep Bhaiya. Okay. So they have been a very good, people on the same path, who have been treading the same path with us. So I really thank all of you to be part of this journey and wish you that we all continue to complete this entire journey. Thank you so much.